Good morning. Good morning.
Lovely morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? When I ask questions, if it is yes, you give me thumbs up. If it is no, you show me thumbs down. Okay? Then I can understand through your actions. Okay? Okay, Adarva? Shushruta? Can you all switch on the video, please, for a few minutes? Sayuri, good morning. Good morning, Sayuri. Hiteshi, switch on the video. Very good, very good. Pranameshri, good morning. Purvi, Prekshisimha. Okay, fine. Now, we have to start our class with prayer. All of you sit straight, join your hands, close your eyes. Shall we start the prayer? Okay, 1 second.
Hey, let's say a little prayer before we start our day. Let us thank God for the lovely things He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful.
Okay, did you all pray? Did you all pray? Show me thumbs up. If no, you show thumbs down. Okay, very good, children. Now, I hope you all have done last week's revision. Have you all done the revision? Last week, I have told you to write, complete the missing words, then tick the right answer and answer the following. I hope you all have learned and write in your computer notebook. Okay, some are with the computer notebook. I want to see a notebook also. Yes, so keep it ready with your notebook aside. Okay, keep it aside with you. Notebook, keep it there. I'll ask you to show. Okay. So same last week's revision. Today once again I will explain to you. You have to listen carefully when ma'am is explaining. Okay. Here itself, now itself you have to learn all the answers and spellings. Done? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, then shall we go? Shall we move on to the revision part? Same revision last week we have done. We are recalling once again. Okay? So last week I have given you write the missing words to complete the uses of computers. Can you see? I hope you all can see the screen. Once again, I'll read the heading. You have to read the heading properly, then answer. Okay. Write the missing words to complete the uses of computers. First one, draw dash. What is the answer? Okay, draw pictures. You have to learn the spelling pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Pictures. Repeat all of you. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Pictures. Draw pictures. Then computer is used to type. Type. Yes, some are saying very good. Letters. Letters. Type letters. What is the spelling of letters? L-E-T-T-E-R-S. Letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S. Letters. Third one, play. Computer is used to play. Yes, games. This spelling everyone knows maybe. Okay. Once again, I'll tell. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Repeat all of you. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Play games. Then fourth one, computer is used to solve. Yes, very good. Solve sums. Computer is used to solve sums. S-U-M-S. Sums. Solve sums. You all have to listen here, okay? Don't look here and there. I can see some are looking here and there. Look at the screen, all of you, okay? Don't go for other works. Next one, watch. Watch. You can write cartoons or movies. So here I am writing movies. Both are correct only. So you can write anything, any one of these. Okay. So watch movies. Movies spelling M-O-V-I-E-S. Movies. Once again, M-O-V-I-E-S. Movies. Sixth one, computer is used to listen to. Yes, music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. I'll tell once again. All of you repeat after me from heading onwards. Okay? Write the missing words to complete the uses of computers. Write the missing words to complete the uses of computers. First one, computer is used to draw pictures. All of you repeat. Draw pictures. Second one, type letters. Repeat, type letters. Play games. Play games. Solve sums. Solve sums. Watch movies. Watch movies. Those who want to write cartoons, they can write cartoon also. Spelling Cartoons. This also you can write. In this, any answer is correct. You can write any one of these. Okay. Watch movies or cartoons. 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 Okay. Sixth one. Listen to music. Listen to music. Okay. I hope you have got this. May. Very easy, no? Okay. Did you learn? Complete the missing words? Did you all get? Then tell me, draw. Draw. Pictures. Type. You can type in the chat, okay? The answer you can type in the chat option, chat section. Solve. Solve. Sums. Very good. Listen to. Music. Spelling. Spelling. Music spelling. Say all of you. MUSIC. Music. Diksha. Are you getting? Very good. Diksha is saying there. Okay, very good. Aishwarya, can you say the spelling of music? Say. Very good. MUSIC. Music. Type. Type. Letters. Diksha, can you say the spelling of letters? LETTERS. Letters. Then watch. Watch. Movies. Very good. Maithili, very good. Watch movies or cartoons. You can write any one of these. Watch movies or cartoons. Spelling of movie is Sumukh. Movie spelling. MOVIES. Okay, once again. MOVIES. Movies. Okay, then I'll go to the next main. Okay, very good, children. Very good. The next main is choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. First one, which among the following parts of a computer does all the calculations? Which among the following parts of a computer does all the calculations? Options are here. Monitor, CPU, mouse. So here already you can see the answer. The answer is CPU. The answer is CPU. Once again, I'll read the question. Children, I am telling again and again, you have to learn to read the questions. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. You have to learn to read the questions. Then only you can answer to the questions. Okay. So all must learn to read the questions. And once again, I'll read the question. Which among the following parts of a computer does all the calculations? It is CPU. What are the data and instructions together known as? What are the data and instructions together known as? Yes, the data and instructions together known as input. The data and instructions together known as input. Once again, all of you repeat after me. The data and instructions together known as input. Did you get? So what is input? The data and instructions that we enter into the computer is known as input. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Third one, which part of a computer works like a human brain? Which part of a computer works like a human brain? Yes, it's CPU. The brain of the computer is CPU. So you have to answer for this. CPU. What is the full form of CPU, children? Yeah, very good. Central processing unit. C for central, P for processing, U for unit. Don't forget it. The next one, which among the following is the feature of a computer? Can you see? Okay. Which among the following is the feature of a computer? Slow, multitasking, emotional. What is the feature of a computer in this? Yes, it's multitasking. Multitasking. It is the feature of a computer. Fifth one, a dash helps doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. Can you answer? Yes, you can see the answer here. I know. So some are answering very fast. Okay. I know you all have learned. Very good children. You have learned. Okay. Fifth question. Once again, I will read. A dash helps the doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. The answer is computer. Computer helps the doctors to know more about diseases and their causes. Sixth one is a computer helps the dash to make security weapons. Yes, computer helps the military to make security weapons. Computer helps the military to make security weapons. Don't forget, okay? Seventh one, a computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. A computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. Fruits, messages, wires. The answer is messages. Computer lets you send and receive messages in offices. Eighth one, dash is used to withdraw money. This everyone knows. Okay, ATM is used to withdraw money. Once again, ATM is used to withdraw money. So you have got tick the right answer also. So now, did you learn tick the right answer? Now two mains you have learned. Complete the missing words and tick the right answer. Now, all of you getting bored or not? Stand up all of you. All those who can stand, please stand up. Yeah, very good. Okay, Tanmay PM, very good. Maithili, very good. Vishnu Priya, very good. Mahadar, very good. Stand up. Now I'll give you an activity. Asmi Gyal, very good. Very good, children. All are standing. See, sometimes I cannot call everyone's name, okay? So you don't worry. Okay, I can see everyone, but sometimes it is not possible to call everyone's name, okay? So you don't try there in front of your parents, okay? So shall we start? Are you all happy? Are you all happy? Show me thumbs up if you are happy. Show me thumbs up if you are happy, Tarini. Okay. Okay. So if you are happy, all of you, clap your hands. If you are happy, all of you, turn around. Turn around. If you are happy, all of you, jump up high. Jump. Very good. Then if you are happy, all of you, touch the sky. Can you touch the sky? Touch the sky. Jump and touch the sky. Jump, all of you. Jump up and touch the sky. If you're happy, all of you, shake your head. Shake your head. Okay. If you're happy, all of you, dance. Dance, everyone. Dance. Okay. Very good, children. Very good. Okay. Stop now. Saha, very good. Asmi, good. Okay. Good, Purvi. Yeah, Nandita, good. Manasvi, very good. So, when I am giving revision, you have to be careful. Okay, now you all can sit. All of you sit down. Very good. So all those who have done the activity, show me twinkling clap. How is the twinkling clap? Did you all forget? Yes, twinkling clap. Next week I will teach you another clap. Okay, I will teach you another clap in next week. Okay, children. So you have to listen carefully today's revision. After the revision, I will be giving you one live test. Okay, I will give you live test. So you have to attend that. Okay, ready now? So now we will move on to the answer the following. We'll move on to the answer the following main. I hope all can see. So next is answer the following. The first question is mention the three-step process on which a computer works. Mention the three-step process on which a computer works. What is a three-step process which computer works? Yes, we all have done the activity, right? Those who have done the activity for them, it is very easy. What is the three-step process? Those are input, process and output. Input, process and output. So once again, question is mention the three-step process on which a computer works. The answer is input, process, output. Did you learn? Once again, all of you say the answer. Input, process, output. Did you get? Okay, then we'll move on to the second question. Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Yes, it's CPU. Where the processing is done by CPU. So the computer works on data to give the output. CPU. Third one, name the term used for the final result that we get after processing. After processing, we will get a result. What it is called? Yes, it's output. After processing, we will give the input, all the data and instructions to the computer. It will work inside the CPU. Means processing will be done by the CPU. Then we will get a meaningful information as a result. That is called output. So name the term used for the final result. What is the final result? Output that we get after processing. It is called output. And we have learned the data and instructions that we enter into the computer is called input. The final result that we get after the processing is known as output. So don't get confused. The third lesson is about input and output devices only. So you have to learn it very well. Then only you can understand the third lesson also. Fourth one, write any one advantage and disadvantage of a computer. Write any one advantage and disadvantage of a computer. It is very easy. What is the advantage of a computer? Any one advantage? You can write anyone from the textbook. Here I have given speed. The main advantage is speed. A computer works very fast. I think this is easy for you to write, I think. So this only you write, or else you can write any other from the textbook. Speed is the advantage. A computer works very fast. Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? Yes, it's health. It will affect the health. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight. So this is the disadvantage. What is the advantage? Advantage is speed. Computer works very fast. Disadvantage is health. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight. Did you learn? Did you get the answer? Once again, do you want me to repeat? Only health I will repeat once again. Working for, now itself you have to learn, children. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight. Did you get? Okay, fine. Now, fifth one, write any one difference between a computer and a man. Write any one difference between a computer and a man. Here only one difference is asked. Okay, so you have to write only one difference between computer and a man. The answer is a computer never makes a mistake, whereas a man can. What is the answer? Repeat all of you. A computer never makes a mistake, whereas a man can. Did you get? Okay. Then we'll move on to the next question. Write any 3 uses of computer in the designing field. This is from second chapter, okay? Write any 3 uses of computer in the designing field. What are the 3 uses of computer in the designing field? Yes, we can design clothes, designing clothes, printing books, and making cartoons. These are the 3 uses of computers in designing field. Once again, designing clothes, we can design the clothes. Printing books, we can print the books. And making cartoons. Cartoons means the animated movies which you are seeing always on the TV and all. Like Tom and Jerry, all those things. Okay. So computers are used in the designing field to designing clothes, printing books, and making cartoons. Seventh one is, what is the role of internet in education and learning? What is the role of internet in education and learning? What is the role of internet in education and learning? Means how it helps you, how the computer or internet helps you to in the study field or to learn, how it helps. Let us see. Internet provides a lot of information just at a click. Internet provides a lot of information just at a click, presents data in a better way, and adds a fun element to the process. This I explained to you already in the class. When teachers or when you search any of the topic in the internet, it is available there, and also we can present it in a better way. We teachers also can teach you in a better way, like adding games, adding fun element, like sometimes I will be showing you the stories, the rhymes which I am putting, or the lesson wise videos, animated videos which I am putting. This all will help you to learn very well. Okay, so internet provides a lot of information just at a click, presents data in a better way, and adds a fun element to the process. Did you get? Okay, fine. Now, write any 2 places where computers are used. Write any 2 places where computers are used. Computers are used in many places. In those, any 2 places you have to write here. Here I have mentioned schools and shops. Schools and shops. Which is easy for you. You can write those answers also. No problem for me. Okay. The answer should be correct. Schools and shops. So now you have learned. Answer the following also. Did you learn answer the following, children? Okay, learned. Okay, very good, Gaurav. So now, do you want to listen a story? How many of you want story? Okay, if you want a story, I will show it after the class. Okay, now, some are sleeping there on the bed, I think. No, sitting only, very good. So, now, shall I give you a test, live test? You can attend the test now. See, now, I will type questions on the screen. only 4 or 5 questions only I will be asked. Okay, I will be asking. So you can see the questions and options also on your screen, mobile screen. You can press the correct answer. See, once again, I am telling you, those parents are there. Kindly update your Teachmeet app. Otherwise, now what I am showing, it may not be showing on your screen if it is not updated. The latest version is 4.4.1. So you have to update it. If you are not updated, Teachmeet, now what I am showing, it may not come to your screen. Okay. So shall we start the test? Did you understand how to attend? Now I will type question with option. You can select the correct option. You can press the correct option. Then I can see the answer here. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for the test? If you're ready, all of you clap your hands. Sinjana, clap your hands. Sinjana MS. If you're ready, all of you clap your hands. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Very good, Adarva. Rakshit. Lekha. Kishanji. Sinjana MS, hi. Okay. Maithili. Okay. So are you all ready? Let me know how many of you have learned. How many of you have done the revision well. Okay, then I'm going to start. You have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, I have to type the question now. So you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay. Till that you have to wait for me. Please wait a second. Wait for a minute. So here I have typed the question. Before I am giving it to you, I'll read the question. Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Options are monitor, CPU. Now I am going to share the screen. You can see the questions and the options also on your mobile screen. You have to press the right answer. Okay? I am going to start. You will get 30 seconds of time. Okay, ready, Gaurav? Okay, it's going to start. Yes, it's came. Which part of a computer works on data to give the output? Options are option A monitor, option B CPU. You can press the right answer. Yes, 10 members answered. Only 10 seconds remaining. 8, 7 remaining. 18 members answered. Time is up. Okay, 21 members answered to me. Okay. Very good, children. Okay, did you get how to do? Okay, shall I go to the next question? For some of the screen it may not be coming. That means you have not updated your Teachmeet app. Okay, that's why it is not showing on your screen. Okay, once again I am telling you, kindly update the Teachmeet app. The latest version is 4.4.1. Okay, if it is not updated, now what test I am giving, it may not come on your screen. You cannot see it on your screen. Okay, so I am going to second question. Ready? Be ready, all of you. Wait a second. Okay, I'll read the question first. Name the term used for the final result that we get after processing. Options are output, process. So now I'm going to start. Okay, children, are you ready? Okay, it came on your screen. Name the term used for the final result that we get after processing. Options are option A, output, option B, process. Yes, very good. 26 members answered. Very good. Okay, children, I'm getting the answers. 28 out of 68, 28 members answered. Okay. Can you see the names on the screen? Now you can press the close button. There on your screen, you can see a close button. On the right top, you can see the close button. You can close that one. Okay, shall I move on to the next one? Are you happy? Are you all getting? We'll play the next one. Are you ready? Okay. So children, I'll read the question. A computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. The next question what I am going to give you is a computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. First option is fruits. Second option is messages. So I'm going to start. Be ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Started. Computer lets you send and receive dash in offices. Options are fruits, messages. Now all are very fast, I think. I got 25 answers within 16 seconds. Very good, children. Good, good. Very good. Now only 3 seconds are remaining. 1 second. Okay. Good. Can you see the names? Shushruta, Chirag, Aryan Vikas, Prekshasimha, Nihal. Some names are there, but I can't see all the names here. Okay, now you can press the close button on your screen. Did you understand how to do? I hope you all got. Next one. Draw sums or pictures. Next question is complete the missing word in that draw dash sums pictures. Shall I start? Yes, I'm going to start now. 1. Okay. Draw dash sums pictures. Okay, good, good. Draw dash sums pictures. 13 seconds. Okay, now only 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Himapriya. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. I think only few are updated your Teachmeet app. That's why some are unable to do the test. So after the class, I request all the parents to update the Teachmeet app. Otherwise, this type of difficulties you have to face later. Okay. Do you want test again? Do you want test again? How many of you want test again? Do you want? Smira? Both are attending, Sarah and Smira. Very good. Do you want test? How many of you want test again? Okay. I'll give you one more test. 1 second. Let me type the question. The question is, what are the data and instructions together known as? What are the data and instructions together known as? So, options are process, B, input. Okay. Shall I start? Going to start now. 3, 2, 1. What are the data and instructions together known as? The data and instructions together known as process, input. Which is the answer? You have to press now correct answer. The data and instructions together known as process, input. Okay, time's up. Time is up now. Okay, 30 students answered. Very good. Do you want again? Do you want again test? Okay, very good children. You all have learned very well. I am very happy. Now, can you all switch on the video? Please switch on the video. Tanav. Hi Tanav. Himapriya. Hi. Hiteshi. Hi Hiteshi. Hiteshi is not there. Kishanji. Varnita. Hi. Sinjana. Rakshit Gowda. Okay, very good. Now, all of you switch on the video. I am very happy that you all have learned very well. You have done the revision very well. Again, continue to learn. Attend your test very perfectly. Hi. Perfectly you have to attend the test. Attend all the question. And don't write question on your answer sheet. Okay. I want only answers. Huh? Even master following also you can write only answer with the correct numbers. Don't write questions. Okay. And all of you write your name, class, section, roll number. If your class teacher is given roll number, please write it down. Okay. Roll number also please write. So, I am wishing you all the best for your test. All the best. All the best children for your test. Say thank you. Thank you ma'am. Show me thumbs up. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, I have promised you that I will give you test. Sorry, I will show you story. Do you want story? How many of you want story? Yes, all of them want story. So I will play the story now. Then let's wind up the class. Okay? Are you all happy? Okay, very good children. Now I'll play the story. Then let's wind up.
there was a horse. He was very proud of himself. He saw a snail. Seeing how slowly the snail moved, the horse tasted. "Hey snail, shall we have a race?" he asked. The snail was angry with the horse. "Okay, let's do it. We will race on Sunday," said the snail. The snail went home and called all the snails together. He told them about the race. They made a plan to outsmart the horse. When Sunday came, they left home very early. They took up hiding places a little distance from each other. All the way from the starting point to the finishing line. The race started. The horse ran a little, then looked up. He saw a snail ahead of him. The horse increased his pace, but the snail was still ahead. The horse started running, harder and faster. However hard the horse tried, the snail was still ahead of it. Tried out, the poor horse finally gave up. "Okay, I lose," said the humble horse.
Did you all enjoy the story? Did you all enjoy the story? Yes or no? Yes. Then what lesson did you learn from this story? What lesson did you learn from this story? Yes, sometimes we should use our brain instead of muscles. Okay? So now I am winding up the class. All the best for your test once again. Now, don't go, wait for a minute. I'll tell you how to update the Teachmeet app. If parents are there, please listen. In your mobile, please go to Play Store. In the Play Store, type Teachmeet. Go to Play Store, then type Teachmeet. When you type Teachmeet, there is an option will come update. You have to press that update button. If it is open coming means it is already updated. If update is coming means you have to update it. Okay, you have to press the update button. It will be updated soon. If you are not updating the Teachmeet app, you will find difficulties later. Like while we are sharing the screen, you may not be able to see. Like today I have done the test. You may not be able to see. These type of problems will be there. So kindly update your Teachmeet app. So once again, all the best for your test. Thank you all of you. I hope you all are enjoying the class. Thank you. All are cooperating with me. I am very happy. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Bye, children.
Bye. ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
What a lovely
Bye, ma'am.
What a lovely.
Okay, bye. Very good. Thank you, Shirish, Tanmay CS, Manasvi TS, Gaurav GS, Lekha, Dikshit. So thank you. Bye bye.